Welcome back to Gearhead Insights. Today, we're diving into the machine that's got the motorcycle world buzzing, the all-new 2025 Zoomie Rider. This two-wheeled beast isn't just about looks, it's redefining what it means to ride with cutting-edge technology, jaw-dropping performance, and an attitude that screams speed. Buckle up, because we're about to break it all down. First up, let's talk about design. The 2025 Zoomie Rider is a head-turner, no doubt about it. With a futuristic fairing that slices through the wind like a razor, an all-digital cockpit, and a lighting package that wouldn't look out of place in a sci-fi movie, this bike means business. The lightweight chassis is a work of engineering art, designed for both style and function. Whether you're weaving through city traffic or carving up a canyon road, the aerodynamics are dialed in for maximum efficiency and performance. The tech on this bike is next level. We're talking a fully interactive 7-inch touchscreen display with real-time diagnostics, navigation, and smartphone integration. Zoomie's AI-assisted riding modes adapt to your environment, giving you the perfect balance of power, control, and comfort. Want to switch from eco mode for a relaxed cruise to full-throttle sport mode? It's just a tap away. And, for those who like to push limits, there's a track mode that unlocks every ounce of this bike's potential. Now, let's get into the heart of the beast, the engine. The 2025 Zoomie Rider is packing a 998cc inline-4 powerhouse, tuned for peak performance. With an output of 190 horsepower and 120 pound-feet of torque, this machine rockets from 0 to 60 in just under 3 seconds. Thanks to the latest ride-by-wire throttle system and a quick shifter, the acceleration is seamless, and gear changes are lightning fast. Whether you're launching off the line or ripping through the gears on a backroad, the power delivery is smooth and exhilarating. Of course, with great power comes the need for precision control. Zoomie didn't cut corners here. The fully adjustable Öhlins suspension ensures you get a plush yet responsive ride, whether you're hitting the highway or leaning deep into a corner. Brembo's high-performance braking system, complete with dual 320mm front discs and a single 260mm rear disc, provides stopping power that inspires confidence. And with cornering abs and traction control, you're always in command, no matter the conditions. Comfort. You got it. The redesigned seat and handlebar positioning make this bike surprisingly comfortable for longer rides. The adjustable seat height and customizable peg positions cater to riders of all sizes, ensuring a ride that's both aggressive and ergonomic. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out for a weekend adventure, the Zoomie Rider has you covered. Customization is a big part of motorcycle culture, and Zoomie gets that. The 2025 model comes in a range of bold colors and offers a slew of aftermarket options, from carbon fiber accents to performance exhausts. Whether you're going for stealthy blacked-out aesthetics or a vibrant, eye-catching finish, you can make this bike your own. So, is the 2025 Zoomie Rider the ultimate machine for thrill seekers? If you're looking for cutting-edge tech, raw power, and a design that turns heads, the answer is a resounding yes. This bike is built for those who love the ride, crave the adrenaline, and want a machine that feels like an extension of themselves. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Zoomie Rider. What do you think? Would you take this beast for a spin? Let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Gearhead Insights. Ride safe, and I'll see you on the next one.